I would tell incoming freshmen to be proactive, to reach out to your counselors, to your mentors, and to really explore the city and what it can offer for you and your academic career as well.
As President Emeritus John Sexton would say, play another octave. Go out of your comfort zone, take very demanding classes.
Step a bit back from like what you're doing and see whether there are some other interests in your life that you want to pursue, despite the fact that you studied something else.
Not everything has to happen immediately. And just because some things take a little longer doesn't mean that they're any less important or that you are any less accomplished because they took longer.
Slow down and experience. Because I feel like we're wired in a specific way, and we're wired to plan for the future, and we're wired to have to do X, Y, and Z, to plan for X, Y, and Z, to prepare for X, Y, and Z, but we never really just let X, Y, and Z simmer a little. We never let it experience it for a second.
Don't stress out too much. Take it easy and take care of yourself. I'll say listen to your body, listen to your heart, and just slow down. It's okay. Like, nothing slipping out of your hands.
And don't compare yourself. I think there is huge pressure to do what everyone else is doing, but your passions can be nurtured here in whichever way you want.
You don't replicate this experience anywhere else. You just can't. So it's definitely something to make the most of, to take advantage of, because very few people are lucky enough to be on this campus and to be part of the NYU Abu Dhabi community. So if I could say one thing to anybody coming in the next years, in the next generation, it's make the most of it.